What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Bulls to the Wall Trading. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. This is going to be another quick little video about some tips and tricks and just some things that I really wanted to get out there. I made a video last night about my advice for new traders or aspiring traders, and to kind of go along with that video, I wanted to make a new video about the mentality that you need when you're trading, or the mentality that you need if you're looking to get into trading. So it goes more than just buying and selling. You have to have the right mentality to get into this whole arena that is investing. So before I get into that, I have to push my channel. Bulls to the Wall channel. Bulls to the Wall channel. Bulls to the Wall trading channel. What is it? It's an opportunity for me to share my tips and experiences in the stock market. I love putting out these videos. I know I don't have that many viewers. That's fine with me. As long as I can help one person, that's fine. So it's just basically me just putting out my watch list, my recaps, and just helpful advice to try to help anybody out that's looking to get into the stock market, or already in it but having a hard time understanding what's going on, or just trying to look at things from a different perspective. So my goal is, for somebody to watch these videos and kind of understand how I do things, and why I look at things the way I do, why I do things the way I do. I am a momentum trader, so if that's something that you're interested in doing, I hope these videos help you out. That's really my goal. Like I said, I know I don't have a lot of subscribers. I know I don't have a lot of viewers, and that's fine with me. As long as I help one person, that's enough. So please like and subscribe if you like these videos. Spread the word. Ask me anything you want. I'm here for you guys. I've been doing this for a while, and I know the ups and the downs. One day you're super excited. The next day you might just feel like crap because you lost some money. I've been there, so just ask me anything. So I wrote some things down here about the trading mentality that you need to have. And the first thing that I have written down is emotions. So what do I mean by emotions? You need to be level-headed when it comes to trading. You can't be too high, you can't be too low. You just need to be even. You just need to be neutral. Trading with emotions is probably one of the worst things that you can do. If you wake up in the morning and you didn't get a good night's sleep, and you're kind of sluggish and you're kind of dragged and still sleepy, don't trade. If you went out and partied and you're hungover the next day, don't trade. You need to be focused. You need to be like razor sharp focus. The best way that I can describe it is you need to be like a quarterback. You need to be able to see everything. What would happen if a quarterback plays, when they're sleepy or they're just not 100%? They're gonna have a horrible game. That's what's gonna happen to you. So, I guess it's emotions and behaviors, or how you feel. So just be even, just be calm, be cool. Don't get too high, don't get too low. Just try to stay even. Obviously, we're all human. If you do make some money, after you make the money, go crazy. Go celebrate, do whatever. But while you're in the process of getting to buying and getting to selling and doing your research, you need to just be neutral. You need to be even. You need to be calm. You need to be cool. You need to be collected. And to go along with that, if you do make money and you're ecstatic, you're celebrating, yes, I did it, that's great, but you need to look at the other side of things. What happens when you lose money? Me personally, when I lose money, like I did today, I lost some money today. You guys can look at my recap video from today so you could see what happened. But as soon as I lose money, I'm done for the day. I shut my computer down and I'm done. Why? Because taking a loss, whether it's $2, $20, $200, whatever, taking a loss to me affects me. So I go from being neutral to now I lost money. So now I'm like, I'm down. I don't want to say I'm depressed, but I'm not neutral. I'm a little bit down. I'm a little bit sad. So to go along with that, you don't want to trade in a sad state or in an emotional state where you're kind of sad. Why? Because if you lose, let's say $20, now if you keep trading, in the back of your mind, you're gonna say, I lost $20. I have to make those $20 back again. And that's gonna lead you to making a mistake. And that's gonna lead you to maybe getting into a trade you shouldn't have. That's gonna lead you to staying in a trade longer than you should be. So my personal opinion is, if you take a loss, take it, learn from your losses, move on. There's going to be another day. Analyze your trade, analyze what went wrong, learn from it, but don't trade again. And to piggyback off of that is to learn how to lose. Learn how to lose. I mean, when I first started doing this, I took some losses. I remember my first trade, I think I lost like $200 in a matter of like 10 seconds. And I was, crushed. Like I was just like, whoa, is this even for me? And going back, I made a ton of mistakes with that trade, but I was crushed. I mean, and looking back, I think I had this perception that I could never lose money. I always thought, I gotta make money, make money. I'll never get in a bad trade. And that is probably one of the most foolish things I could have come up with, because you're putting money on the line. You can't expect to make money all the time and never lose. It's like a professional gambler or a poker player. You're gonna lose money. You're going to lose money. That's just a fact. So if you're getting into this stock market or trying to get into investing, understand that you will lose money. And how are you going to respond to you losing money? Is it going to throw your day off? Are you going to be completely mad for the rest of the week? How are you going to deal with that? Are you okay with losing? Are you okay with losing money? Are you okay with losing money consistently? How are you going to deal with that? So for me, I had to learn to lose money. I had to learn to lose. I had to learn that, hey, I am going to lose money. If I want to do this, I'm going to lose money. And that's okay. That's fine. But the important thing is to set yourself up to a point where, instead of losing $200, you only lose, let's say, $20. Or instead of losing $100, where you only lose $10. And that goes along with knowing what you're doing, setting up charts, buying with a stop loss, and all this other stuff that I'm not going to get into. But for example, back to my example today, I lost money today, and sure, I mean it kind of brought me down a little bit, like I said, because everything was fine. It wasn't my personal mistake. The stock did what I wanted it to. It moved up, but it moved up very quickly, and I cut on time. So I ended up losing money, but the amount of money that I lost was a crazy amount. And why is that? It's because I had a plan and I had a stop loss set up to protect me from having a big loss. So, there's a lot of things that go into it, but that's just a little part. If you're going to be buying and selling, always have a safety net ready just in case things don't go your way. But I can guarantee you, if I didn't have that safety net and I would have lost more money, I would not be doing this video. I would be super ticked off because I lost a lot of money. And nobody wants to lose money, let's be honest here. So, that's basically the video that I wanted to make, to bring it back to a reference, or to compare it to things. I'm a huge sports fan, so if you like baseball, football, soccer, basketball, whatever your favorite sport is, if you want to get into trading, if you want to be actively trading, you have to take every day like if it's a championship game, like if you're an athlete in a championship game. How do athletes come out for a championship game? They're focused. They are on it. They are just so focused on the task at hand that they probably don't know what's going on. They don't see they don't see the stadium. They don't see the people. They are just focused. That's how you need to be. Now, after the game is over, if they win, yeah, they celebrate, they go crazy, exciting and everything. But if they lose, then you see the emotion coming out. And that's how trading needs to be. While you're trading, while you're buying, while you're selling, while you're in that process, you need to be like that athlete, getting ready to play the game, just focused. Now, after the game is over or after you complete your trade, whether you won or lose, then you can kind of breathe out and let everything out, whether it's good or bad. But don't let it carry over to the next day. Take some time out, half an hour, review your trade, learn from it if it was bad, and learn from your mistakes and just say, okay, this happened to me. It's never going to happen to me again. Tomorrow's a new day. This is done, and let's go. And if you make money, don't let it go to your head. If you make money, just say to yourself, all right, I made money. What worked? I'm going to do the same thing tomorrow. Let's go. That's in the past. Tomorrow's a new day. Let's keep it going. Um, so that's all. That's all for this video about the mentality and some behaviors and emotions that have to go along with trading. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope it was educational. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Please leave me any comments if there's anything that you want me to do, or any videos that you guys want me to make for you guys to clarify anything. And that's about it. Be on the lookout for my watch list video later tonight. And I hope you guys have a great day.